How's everybody doing tonight? Keto family, Matt Troy's here, and tonight I'm gonna show you how to make Keto Chicken Pot Pie from scratch. I'm gonna show you how to make this, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, anybody you want. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. This video was suggested by two amazing subscribers on my channel, KOLBY STOGNER and Ryan Armstrong. Thank you so much for being a part of my channel. This is for you guys and everyone else around the world. And if you have a video suggestion, leave it in the comment section down below. If it's a good idea for a video, I'll make a video on it and give you credit right in that video. Alright, Keto Chicken Pot Pie, one of my most intricate recipes on the channel. But I'm going to show you how to make this step by step. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's start off by slicing up our vegetables. We have 1 onion, 1/4 of a carrot, and 1 stalk of celery. Alright, now let's get our chicken breast. Now let's dice our chicken breast very finely. We have our diced chicken breast, and we have our diced vegetables. Now let's transfer these into a pot to form the pot pie filling. Alright, we'll start off with about a tablespoon of walnut oil. Turn the heat on to medium heat. Let's add our vegetables. Let's cook these down for approximately 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, let's add the chicken. Now let's add our seasonings. Let's add a little bit of real salt, a dash of onion and garlic powder, and some black pepper. And mix until evenly combined. Alright, so now the chicken is just about done. Add a 1/2 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of arrowroot starch. And mix until combined. Alright, look at that filling. Alright, let's start off with our dry ingredients. A 1/2 cup of almond flour, a 1/4 cup of psyllium husk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of arrowroot starch. And mix until combined. Now for the wet ingredients. 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And mix until combined. Alright, now to transfer this onto a sheet of parchment paper. We've got our parchment paper here. The other 1/4 will be used for the top of the crust. And put another piece of parchment paper on top. Roll it out as flat as you can. Alright, so we're going to transfer this. Alright, so we have the bottom of the pie. We're going to put it into the oven for approximately 5 minutes to crisp up at 400 degrees. In the meantime, we'll flatten out the top of our chicken pot pie. We have our parchment paper here. Alright, we'll put a piece of parchment paper onto the dough. And let's roll it out. Alright, now let's take the dough out of the oven. Alright, we got our dough right out of the oven after about 5 minutes. We're going to add our chicken pot pie filling. Alright, make it flat. Now we're going to add the top portion of the dough. Fold in the remaining dough. Alright, so we're going to put this back into the oven for approximately 20 minutes. Halfway through cooking, check on your pie and pull off the top layer of the parchment paper. As you can see, the crust has laid down on the pie sufficiently. Now let's put it back into the oven so the top will brown. Alright, 15 minutes later, and look at this chicken pot pie. It looks incredible. Let's let it cool for approximately a half hour before consuming. And then we'll do a taste test. Alright, Keto Chicken Pot Pie. I can't wait to try it. It reminds me of a Marie Callender's pot pie. It's crunchy on top, look at that. We're gonna dig right in. Make sure we get some filling on there. Some chicken. Everything. Man. That is so good. This is definitely a chicken pot pie. That is good. And my favorite part of all, the crust. Let's try the crust. That's really good. Man. And the chicken pot pie is on point. Thank you, Colby and Ryan, for the amazing video recommendation. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you'll enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your night. Matt Troy signing out.